It looks like a coffee container, but it is actually for my kitchen scraps. I use this compost for my veggie garden in the springtime. This looks like a coffee container, but it is actually my kitchen compost. I got eggshells in there, I got cucumber peels, I have some tomato stems. I also put coffee in there and anything else that can be composted. And then I use this in my veggie garden in the springtime. I dig holes and I dump it straight into the ground, mix it around, put some more dirt on top of that, and the worms just love it. Here are 2 more bins that I already filled. I put in tea bags, banana peels, you can see some more eggshells. I got onion skins in there, coffee grounds, and oh, it's starting to work already. Already making fuzzies there. This does not smell. You would think that this smells, but if you put the lid on tight on these coffee containers, you cannot smell that as it's decomposing. The compost is starting to decompose, and that's what you want. And I will fill up multiples of these. This is only from a couple weeks that I filled these up, and it is so good for your soil to give nutrients back to your soil, no matter where you live, no matter what zone you're in. Small veggie garden, big veggie garden, it doesn't matter. I put these out in the garage because I start to run out of room here in my kitchen. So I need to get these 2 out because they are full, and then continue to fill this one. The one year I had 12 of these bins, and that's because I started in the springtime. I started around like January, February. I guess it's still technically winter then, but this time I decided to start it here in October, November. We're already into December, and it helps keep this kind of stuff, the veggie stuff, and this all out of the landfill, and actually brings benefit to your own garden. If you have a passion for gardening and you want your veggie garden to do better year after year, is make sure you're putting nutrients back into the soil. And that means composting. You can buy compost to get a head start. You can buy worm castings, but I also like to do this as well. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Put any questions down below. I love reading your comments. Thanks for watching.